Here's the Musashi Sakai station, and let's just see what we find out. Probably been here before, but if that's the busy side or if that's the busy side. I think this is the busy side over here. Downstairs from where I go on the train. And go out here, but also there's an exit down there, and I see a Kobe kitchen over there, a Kobe restaurant, one of my Kobe restaurant, one of my favorite restaurants. So we got the Seibu Line entrance down here also, and this is the Minamiguchi, and over here is the Kichijouji, the north exit. And I don't know which one is the most exciting. I think probably the other side. This is the north side. Skipudori. Okay. There's a little bit going on over here. Looks like a shopping street down here. Skip Street. Royal Host over there. Kobe restaurant over here. Okay, so here's a big old shopping street. Probably not the most busiest one. Skip Street, my favorite gyoza restaurant. Gyoza no Osho, that's a plus. Oh yeah, they're getting ready for business. Not open yet. I haven't had any breakfast or lunch yet, so I'll have maybe have to do a breakfast lunch type thing here. And we got Gusto here. All kinds of restaurants down here. Game Center, Daisen, and Yakiniku House, Nantoka Shorite, Matsuya Udon Place, Moss Burger. Yeah, I can choke down a Moss Burger every once in a while. Moss Burger makes these sloppy hamburgers. Well, that's like a ebi burger, but they put this sloppy sauce on their hamburgers. It's really good, really quite good. Oh, that one right there is the Mospaga, the standard one. That's what we've got down here. Important feature here in Musashi Sakai is my favorite cheap restaurant is Otaya, or wonderful set menu meals that are. Oh, here's the window. Looks like it's gonna beat up, but we got a wonderful menu. This kind of stuff. And Otaya, all these kinds of things were very, very cheap. Oh, in fact, I have to come here for lunch. What time do they open? The end of Skip Street, Skipudori, looking back at the station. Once you come to the end of that, there's just one strip here that you come out to this type of area, and it opens up a little bit and becomes a little more, what you call it, basic, standard kind of streets and whatnot. Skia, my favorite gyudon restaurant. Skia is right over there. So, this is all just beyond where I was. You can see Skip Street, Skipudori down here. Just a little bit beyond that intersection where it ended is Taidaya, a grocery store, nice little grocery store, nice looking grocery store. Still looking for a realtor where I can find out maybe a little bit of information about rents and what. Off that main road, you get this residential area here, kind of a typical area here, and from here I will head back to the station area, then I'll go check out the south side. But kind of a typical but quiet residential area. Okay, there we go. I have just a little field here. Boy, the soil looks fertile, doesn't it? I don't know why they haven't planted everything in persimmon trees. Beautiful persimmon trees. Oh, the space so far apart. This seems kind of rare for Japan that they'd have all this empty space, but maybe they're planning on doing something with it. Well, that soil looks fertile. So this is the street I just came down. Station's over that way. I'm going to make the loop here. Still have not found a realtor place. Information about living. Back, around a little bit here. You got the Toyota rent-a-car where I could easily rent cars if I didn't buy a car. Just rent a car as you need it. It probably makes more sense in Japan than owning a car and spending a couple $100 a month on parking spot. And right on the corner here's a Marukame Seimen, Marukame udon restaurant. When we went to Hawaii, they had a Marukame udon shop right across the street from our hotel, and it was wonderful and very cheap, and been there many times. All right, so this is the street that goes right in front of the station, I believe. A realtor, they're closed today, but this is the price here. $1,605. So that's what? Yeah, $1,650 a month for a three-room living dining kitchen. 6 minutes away from the station in Musashi Sakai. 2 minutes away, $1,800, $1,850. Let's see, 1K, 3DK, 6 minutes, $1,200. Let's see what else we got here. Anyways, so I'm trying to decide what to have lunch here, and I found a tonkatsu. This is back on Skip Street, Skip-dori. Tonkatsu, Matsunoya. Matsunoya. It looks like a very good tonkatsu restaurant. Oh yeah. Roast with the fat. Roast. Eating at the restaurant here and have an overlook to that Skip-dori, Skip Street. So this is where I was walking. I can't wait to get my food, but I'm starving. Anyways, talking about $8.24 roughly meal. It is to die for. Look at this. Kind of a sweet and sour chicken with vegetables, miso soup, some pickled veggies on the side, small little salad, some multi-grain rice. Some salad dressing. Oh yeah. Can you beat this? You cannot. Appears that Old Navy is coming to the Musashi Sakai area. Looks like they're giving away sweatshirts or something. I don't know how they do it. Their smartphone or whatever. But anyways, let's go see what's on the south side of the station. A little dessert shop here. We're still inside the station. Restaurants galore. This seems to be the more, what do you call it? Established side of the station. Ito-Yokado department store there, big department store. 7 Home Center, and buses stop here. Little Mermaid Bakery, nice little bakery in there. Emio Musashi Sakai, real good. And anyways, other side, oh, Uniqlo up there. The favorite. Alright, so let's see what we can find. Papa, I guess famous for cream puffs or something in Japan. I think Stanford and Rob are familiar with this. And Starbucks over there. And down here is something going on. We'll see what these red and white tents are. High school event. Girls singing. Oh. So morning market. People. Here's the Seibu-Tamagawa line running through Musashi Sakai. Down here we've got Burger King, Tendon, Kichijouji, Curry Place, all kinds of restaurants down here. Let's see. Is that Saizeria? Oh, Saizeria. That's more streets, more stuff going down there. And I'm a little bit turned around here. See if I can find my Kobe restaurant place. Kobe Kitchen. One of my favorite bakeries in Japan. Oh, look at these. Look at these things here. I mean, this place is to die for. I mean, there are tons of these kinds of places in Japan, but this is one of my faves. Pizza in there. And this Kobe bakery also has a restaurant, but I don't think this place has the restaurant attached to it. Another shopping center down there. It's, Queens Isetan. Isetan is a famous department store in Japan. This must be a small little shop from it. Let's see. A little grocery store, a liquor store, and whatnot. Okay. And down there is what's that street? Skip Street. And anyways, I'm gonna go back onto the train tracks and explore a little bit more. Sakai no Asaichi morning market, Sakai Town morning market. And this is one street back behind the station. And you see the nice tree-lined streets. I'm going to see what I can find down here. Tree-lined streets of Musashi Sakai. Down here. Okay. Japanese dining, okay.